So I just got this bookshelf from Stosense, and in this video I'm going to do a quick overview of the assembly process, and then show you what the finished product looks like so you know exactly what to expect when your bookshelf arrives. I do want to point out that everything was packaged very nicely, including safety cushions on both ends to make sure the product came without any damage. And as for the assembly process, everything was very straightforward and labeled very nicely for me. The instructions were very clear. I was able to do this whole thing by myself. At one point they did say you needed a second person, but I still was able to do that just by myself. I had the whole bookshelf assembled in about 2 hours, and I do a lot of different furniture items, and I would say this was on the easier side in terms of the assembly process. And here's going to be what the finished product looks like. Overall, I am super impressed with the way that this turned out. It's going to fit perfect in my room, but I love just all the little accents on this. The drawers are going to probably be my favorite part. So the handles on there I think just look so cool. You have that gold handle on top, and then you have those fluted doors underneath, and I love the handles on there. They just stick out a little bit so you don't even notice they're handles, but they're super easy to just grab hold of and open up. And you get so much storage with this bookshelf. So you have two big shelves in here that would work for a variety of different things, and then up top you're going to have different shelves too. So the actual bookshelf up top is going to have dividers on there, and you can easily move them around. So personally I don't have a lot of books, but if you do, you can fit a bunch of books on there and kind of have everything organized for you and just slide these around. And if you don't even want them up there, you don't even have to put them together or put them on there. It's all very customizable for you. They also do have lights that run all the way through, and I think they look so cool. They have more of a white light to darker tones of color, so whatever fits your room best you can get, and you can turn down the dimness on them too. So if you want them really bright, you can have that. Otherwise, if you just want a soft yellow type light, you can have that as well. It is totally up to you. But overall, I am super happy how this bookshelf turned out from the assembly process to the finished product. It was easy. I think it looks great. I'm a big fan. I give this thing 2 thumbs up.